myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up.
Hello guys, welcome to today's video from Binary King Empire. My name is Quincy, the Chief Binary Market Analyst of Binary King Empire. This is a tutorial video. This tutorial video is aimed at teaching you how to set up an account on Deriv.com, formerly binary.com, how to integrate that account in their bot trading platform, how to load a trading bot, and how to start trading and start making money. All right, this tutorial is going to assume that you're an absolute beginner on the binary options space. All right, so this tutorial is going to hold your hands, teach you everything you need to know from the absolute scratch to actually trading and making money. All right, now please, if today is your first time on this channel, please kindly hit the subscription button, turn on the bell notification, and please hit the like button on this video. It is important to us that you do. All right, now without further ado, let's dig into it. Right, in the course of this video, in the course of this tutorial, we are going to be visiting two platforms. We're going to be visiting two websites, which are deriv.com and bot.binarytools.io. all right, one of the website, one of the platform is where we are going to create our accounts from the absolute beginning. All right, and the second platform, the second website, is where we are going to integrate the account that we created in the bot trading platform and actually start trading with our bot. All right, let's get ahead and visit the first platform right now. Right, Deriv.com. all right, now that we are here, as you can see, this is where we're going to be creating our account. All right, we're going to create our account from this tab, this create free demo account. Yeah, I'm going to close this. All right, but before we do that, I want to show you something first. All right, I want to show you something here. All right, now we have different trade types. All right, we have different trade types. As you can see here, we have the CFDs, we have the multipliers, and we have the options. All right, now we are not interested in this. We are not interested in multiplying. This is what we are interested in, because we are trading binary options. All right, okay, I just had to show you that. All right, now we can either create our account from here, this create free demo account, or we can still go back to this very page here. Right, it's all the same thing. So what I want to do here is to click on this. All right, now it has brought up a window for us. This is the very beginning of the registration. All right, when you're registering to start trading on the binary options page, this is the very beginning. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is to put in an email. For the purpose of this tutorial, my colleague has volunteered his email, all right, for me to use. All right, so I'm going to put in his email. He has given me access to his email. All right, so that email is what I'm going to use for this tutorial. Okay, all right, I have to check this agreement box. All right, oh, the email is not complete. All right, at gmail.com. All right, let's go. You know, guys, there is just so much money to be made on this space. All right, okay, now they have sent me an email. They have sent an email to the email address I put in. So all I have to do now, the next thing I have to do now, is to visit the email box of that email address I put, you know, and verify my email address there, and start the activation process, you know, from there. So I'm going to visit the mailbox right now. Okay, I'm inside the mailbox right now. This is the mail that was sent to me. So what I want to do now is to verify my email, right? Okay, so guys, I was saying, there is just so much money to be made here, right? Now this window is part of the registration process. All right, so you just watch me as I process this registration, as I take the steps, you know, one by one. All right, all right, guys, I mean, we are here. Our account is almost ready. Our account is like 90% ready, right? So now that we are here, what we have to do is to just follow this tour, you know, to the end, so we can proceed. Next. Okay, start trading. All right, the second tour is about to pop up. Next. Okay, now as you can see, our account is ready. Our account is created. We now have our demo account on deriv.com, which is same thing as binary.com. All right, as you can see, we've been given a demo fund. This is a demo fund of $10,000. all right, for the purpose of practicing how to trade and perfecting your trading strategies before actually proceeding to an actual real trade with real funds. All right, now what we have is a demo account. We don't have a real account that we can actually use and trade and make actual money. All right, but I'm going to add a real account right now. All right, you see this trader sub, this is where we create our real account. All right, now as you can see, it's on demo. So what I want to do is to come here and switch it to real. All right, now we are on real account platform, so but we don't have an account yet. So what do we do? What I want to do now is to come here that said Deriv account and click on get. All right, now what I want to we have different account types. As you can see, we have the USD, we have the Euro, Pound Sterling, Australia. We even have crypto accounts, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, USDT, USDC, But what I want to add here now for the purpose of this tutorial is USD account, because that is what we are going to be using most of the time to trade. All right, so I'm adding an account right now. So adding a real account, brings up another process of, verification and registration. So you just watch me as I take the process step by step. All right, okay, now I'll be using my colleague's credential. Is his email after all. Okay, now my colleague have given me the permission to create this account on his behalf, so I'm going to choose the ID type that he gave to me. Okay, so I'm going to choose the national identification number. Okay, so I'm just going to put in his ID here. I'm just going to put in his national identification number. Yeah, now as you can see, our account is ready. This account is ready. We now have a USD account, all right, on this account. Now, if you want to deposit money, this is where you do that on the spot. But if you don't want to deposit just on the spot, you can always do that anytime. You just click maybe later, and whenever you wish to deposit, this is where you do it. You just click on this deposit right here, and it will take you to the deposit, channel, and you just follow the prompts there and deposit funds and start trading with your real money. All right, now the next thing that I want to do here, now that our account is ready, we now have our account on deriv.com, which is binary.com. all right, the next thing that I want to do here is to visit that second site, that second platform that I told you guys about from the beginning of this video. All right, where we are going to integrate this account that we've just created on the bot trading platform and actually load our bot and start trading. All right, so I'm gonna visit that platform right now. So what I want to do here is to open a new tab. Okay, bot.binary2.io. okay, now we are on the bot trading platform of Deriv.com. Right, now what I want to do here is to log in into this platform with the account that I've just created. All right, okay, now this window is where I have to put in the credentials I used in creating the account that we just witnessed. All right, so I'm putting in my email right now. Right, so I'm also putting in password right now. Okay, I don't want to save. If you want Google to always remember your login details, and you can just click on save, but I don't want to save. Right, now always authorize. Please authorize this app. Okay, getting started. All right, guys, we are logged in into binary bot.com, bot.binary.com, or bot.binary tools. Right, this is the platform where you plug in your bot and trade, where you load your bot. Whatever bot you have, provided you trust it, it's fine. But if you don't have any, I recommend you get the Alpha Binary bot as soon as possible. You get the Alpha Binary bot right now and start making real money on your trading. All right, now we are here. As you can see, this is the USD account that we just added. All right, now the next thing that I want to do here is to load our bot. All right, is to load. Now for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be loading one of our series, one of our older series, to show you how you can actually load a bot. Whatever bot you have, you trust is fine. But if you don't have and you don't have things you don't trust, this Alpha Binary bot is tested, is trusted, is have high frequency and high accuracy. So what I want to do here, so I just recommend you get our Alpha Binary bot, get our PV 1.4, is the latest series, and start making real money and stop and quit blowing your account. All right, because people lose money on this space every day. So what I want to do here is to switch to this virtual account where we actually have fund that we can use and practice and load these bots and actually activate, stake, and enter a trade. All right, okay, now that we have switched to our virtual account, what I want to do here is to go to files, all right, and load. Okay, now what I want to do here is to load this version of our bot, all right, on this account. So I select the bot, all right, and open. Okay, now our bot, this bot is loaded. As you can see, blocks are loaded successfully right here. It's loaded. So what I want to do here now is to apply some settings and actually run the bot. So you can see, guys, this is how easy it is. So let me just do this. This is a tutorial. All right, guys, this is how easy it is to actually make money on the binary option space. All right, now I'm going to start. So I'm going to stake $100. All right, Matinga factor, I'm going to put it at 0, 0. Everything Matinga, I'm going to put it at 0. Now this take, I'm going to put it at 1. Tick durations, I'm going to put it at 2. Right, now that I've applied these settings here, now that I've applied this manual, I always tell you, our bot are programmed simply. All right, it's programmed, of high frequency, is programmed with the latest technology, all right, and latest market industry expert. All right, now that I've applied this setting, what I want to do here now is to run our bots. All right, now as you can see, we have started trading. The trading have started, guys. Guys, this is how easy it is to set up an account, load, integrate that account into bot trading platform, all right, and load your bot. If you don't have any, I recommend you get the Alpha Binary bot. All right, get our latest series, PV 1.4, and start making actual money on the binary option space, right, and start trading. So this is how easy it is, guys. Now we have started trading. As you can see, bot is running. Thank you for staying with me to the end of this video. Now please do not forget to hit the subscription button, hit the like on this video, and turn on the bell notification so you will be notified when next I drop a video. Until next time, do remember that my name is Quincy and I'm the Chief Binary Market Analyst of Binary King Empire. Do stay safe and trade safely. Bye.